Welcome back. Now in this video we will start working right on the body for the sign up screen. First let me just close that from here, and in here we are on the sign up screen as you guys can see. Now we will go towards the directory of the sign up screen as you guys can see in here. Right click and create a new dot file. We will give the name body. So in here we will have a stateful widget, so write st. There we go with the suggestion stateful widget. Now we will give the name sign up body. Now simply remove that key from here and click in here right on the stateful widget and import the library material.dart. Now we will copy that from here and go toward the sign up screen.dart, that one. Okay, right in here we will remove that from here and just paste the sign up body, because we will be working right in the body for the sign up screen. In here comma and remove that library, import the library for the sign up body. Now just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice in here just the empty screen. Ctrl S and there we go. Okay, because right in the sign up body, if you guys press the Ctrl and then right click on the mouse, it will take you right toward the sign up body. Okay, so in here as you guys can see there is just an empty container, so that's the result right in here as you guys can see. Now we will go back toward the sign up screen.dart, and here we have successfully changed that to the sign up body, and you guys can see that in here. Now the next thing, that background.dart, right for the sign up screen, open that file. So we will use that sign up background right in the body. Okay, right in this dot file for the sign up screen as a child. So first thing what I'll do in here, for that we will make it final, add that key so it will be non-changeable, and let's have that widget child. Now simply we will just create the constructor for that, semicolon, write it end and tag this down. So in here we will say required this dot child and write it end comma. Now we will scroll down and below this position right in here we will say child and put comma, write it end. Now simply we will go towards the body.dart for the sign up screen, that dart file. Now we will be working right in this sign up body as you guys can see. So now let us go ahead and return in here the sign up background. As I told you already, it's going to take the child argument we just created a while ago. Now in here you will have a single child scroll view. There we go with the suggestion, and right in there we'll have a child again, and then we will have a column widget. Right in the column widget, first we will set the property, it is going to be main X element, so we will set this right in the center. So let's go ahead and do that. Now right after we will have a children right in here and tag this down from here. Let's have a form widget in here, and in here comma, write it and take this down. Now it is going to take the key, we will provide that first. Now we will go and create that key right in the form. Okay, so what I'll do right in here, let's have that sign up form key in here. So in here final keyword, it is going to be non-changeable, and then we say sign up form key. Now we're going to just assign global key. Okay, and in there we will say form state, write it and semicolon. So this global key is basically used for debugging with a level. And form state, this object can be used to save, basically reset and validate every form field that we will use right in our app, right, for this specific screen. So we have to create that, and we are done with that. Okay, now writing the key, let's provide that in here, sign up form key, there we go. And right in here we will say child, and then let's have the equal widget in here. Now right in there it is going to take the on tag event. Okay, from now on we will leave this empty. Later on we will create some methods and we're gonna call upon that writing this on tag event. You guys will know the working then. For now it's not important, later on we will work on that. First we will just complete the design. Okay, so there is going to be the background color as you guys noticed before, and in here we will show the circle avatar in which we will show the current user profile, and in case of there will be no profile, then we will show the camera icon in there. You guys will just notice the output in a while. First let me just complete the code. So let's move further. Let's have the child in here, and then we say circle avatar as I told you already. Now right in there first we will provide the radius, okay, for this specific circle avatar. So in here we will say, first let me just create the screen width, and also we will create the screen height. So for that what I'll do, right in there we will say double, and we will create the screen width, and then we will provide, as you guys know, media query dot of contacts, and then we say dot size dot width, and right after let's create it for the screen height. Okay, so in here for time saving I'll just copy that from here to here, and in here paste it, then right at end we will just say dot height and right at end semicolon. There we go. Okay, as you guys can see, now we are about to use that. So in here we will say simply screen width. We're gonna take the 0.20% of the screen, and let's also provide the background color for that. So we will go with the colors dot white 24 will be good, and now background image is going to simply show the background image for the current user. So first what I'll do, I'll just create the image. Okay, so let's go above, and in here we will say file, and we're gonna name this as a, first it's gonna be private, so in here underscore, and then we give the name image. Now click in here and import the library .io. okay, make sure it must be that. So the error has been gone, as you guys can see. So basically that file, it's a reference to a file on the file system. It will just hold a path on which the operation can be performed, and as I tell you already, it is gonna contain the current user profile image. Later on we will get the image and it's gonna be right inside that. You guys will just notice it. For now just create that in here, and now we will go down right in the background image. We're about to use that. So in here what we will say underscore image, there we go. If that equal to null, okay, then write in if in here, remove that comma from here, so we will show nothing. Okay, as I told you already, that image gonna contain the user profile image. Okay, so if that image equals to null, If there will be no profile, then simply write an if. As you guys can see, we will show nothing, it's just a null. Okay, and write an else in here. We will simply just show the image that the user will upload. Okay, only in that case. So in here, file image, as you guys can see, and then now we will just provide the path. So the file is gonna be the image file, as I told you already. Okay guys, that image gonna contain the current user profile. We will get the user image right in this. Okay, so that's why in here we just use that. Now let me tell you one more time. If that image gonna be equals to null, then we will show nothing. If there gonna be the image, so then that image will not be equal to null, so it will contain some kind of data, for example the current user profile image. Then simply we will show that with the help of that. Okay, write in else. Now let's move further. In here we will say child, and in here image. There we go. And now we're gonna say if that equals to null, then write in if. We will show the icon, and the icon is gonna be, let's go with the camera enhance will be good, and also we will provide the size for that camera enhance, the icon. So it is going to be simply the screen width. So we're going to simply multiply and take the 0.18% of the screen. It's going to take that, whatever it will be, and right in here let's provide the color for that. The color is going to be, we will go with the black. Let's go with the black 54. That will be good, and that's it, as you guys can see. Okay, right in the child, as you guys can see, we just said that if that image which will contain the image of a current user profile, okay, if that equals to null, then we will show the camera icon. Okay, as you guys can see, in order there will be no profile picture, then we will show the camera icon. You guys will notice that just in a while. And we just provide the size and also the color, as you guys can see. Now that's the working of if. Now in here else, as you guys can see, and in else we will simply say null. Now let me just tell you one more time. So you guys know about the icon one. Now I'm going to tell you about this null. So if that image which will contain the current user profile, if that's not equal to null, if it will contain the image, then we will not show the camera icon. So in that case, what we will do, we will just show null right in here. Okay, so there is going to be that user profile picture that the user will upload. It is going to be right there instead of this camera icon. So I hope it's clear now. Now what we will do, guys, one more thing, I have already hot reload the app, so there is no need of doing it again. So I'll just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice the output right in here with the background, because in here we just return that. Okay, sign up background, and all of the working as I explained this in detail. Now let's press the Ctrl S and check out the output if it's working or not. Ctrl S. So all the working has been done. There we go with the output. Okay, circle avatar, and there we go with the camera icon right in the middle. So right for the circle avatar, the color we choose is white 24, and you guys can see that right in here. And right for the camera icon, we choose the color black 54. You guys can see that right in here. For now, that image, it's totally empty, so there is no image right in this. Okay, that we just created while ago. So if there will be no image, then it will be equal to null. If it's equal to null, then we will show nothing. And you guys can see right in here there is no image. Okay, and later on we will just get the user image, and we will just store that right in this image. Then it will not be equal to null, then it will simply show the current user profile, and it's going to be that one. Okay, writing the else. For now it's just run that, and in here, as you guys can see, that image, as I told you in here already, is equal to null. So if it's equal to null, then we will show that icon. Okay, and you guys can see that icon, camera enhance. Later on we will be working on that, and we will get the image of a current user profile is going to be then stored right in this image, and then it will not equal to null, then it will simply show the current user profile in here. For now on it's equal to null. Okay, so if it's equal to null, then it will show that camera enhance icon, and you guys can see the result right in here. So it's working totally fine, and this video is getting a little lengthy, so we will end this video right in here, and we will start working right on this body.dart right in the next video. So see ya.